It is now 11:15 on this Friday night. Jason Michael in for the Chief tonight. Another beautiful day, friend.
It is another beautiful day. We're heading into another beautiful start to the weekend. We sort of kind of change things around late in the day.
Yeah, you said start. I could see where you were going with that. It means it doesn't finish that way.
It does not finish that way. Yeah, we're going to be talking about a different weather story for our weekend here. The first full weekend of October. We're enjoying that fall feeling. Take a look at your screen here. You can see where the temperatures are falling overnight tonight. Not for many going into the 40s. We'll sort of hang around the 50s for the most part in some areas, especially near the lakeshore. But all in all, it's going to be an absolutely beautiful evening. And that's what radar is showing us for tonight. If you want to go outside and take a look at the sky and look northwest, you'll be able to see Jupiter, Saturn, and also Venus up there. They'll be the brightest spots in the sky, and they're obviously going to be very stunning. So where's our next weather maker? What's happening out there? Well, as we talk about our weather story, it depends on where we are and kind of where we're going. And we also have to look at what's been in our rearview mirror as well, because we've had this ridge of high pressure over us for the past few days. And that's the sinking air from the upper levels of the atmosphere, allowing things to be absolutely beautiful and quiet. And that's what we're facing for much of the Ohio River Valley and also the eastern seaboard. When you look back towards just to the west of the Mississippi, that's where the energy is right now. And that's what we're going to be talking about with these areas of low pressure. With that front, is going to be starting to move. So it's a stationary boundary right now. And once it starts to get itself together and starts moving, that's where our energy comes into play. So it is making a beeline straight up the Mississippi towards the Ohio River Valley. As we get towards this time tomorrow, that's what we're going to be talking about here. So your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast, let's take a look at what this looks like here. You'll notice once we get past the noon hour for tomorrow, you'll start to see a little bit more energy come in terms of our cloud cover. Energy, we kind of back off that a little bit. You'll see more widespread cloud cover come on in, and it's into late Saturday, heading into early Sunday here, where you can see some light rain showers start to sprinkle in here. This is 11 p.m. Let's go into the overnight. It's going to look a lot different here. You can see as we're waking up for Sunday morning, that Monday, or at least that Sunday morning commute, is going to be a bit of a wet one. Some of those light rain showers out west would transition over to perhaps moderate to heavy rainfall for our western counties, and then it overspreads 71, 77, and that's where we start to get that poor visibility. Some breaks in the clouds, though, could allow for some sunshine. That could also lead to some energy churning up as well. A few rumbles cannot be ruled out for our Sunday evening and also into the overnight. And then that transition into Monday as well. We also start to see a little bit more rain showers linger right on into the start of the work week. Once we get the warm air come on in, we're also going to have some of the gusty winds come in here as well. 15, perhaps up to 20 miles per hour. You can see there down in Akron, Worcester at about 12 mile per hour gusts. 15, you can see over Elyria as well. How much rainfall are we kind of going to be pulling in? Well, the models wants to back off on it a little bit, even though we'll have sort of those scattered widespread shower activity. Some of it, well, it's going to be on the lighter side, so anywhere from 1 to perhaps 1.5 inches in some of the highest marks. Lowest temperatures overnight tonight, waking up for tomorrow morning. Worcester at 45, Canton coming in at 43, pair of force you can see there over in Ravenna, and also the highs tomorrow afternoon. 70s widespread and almost 80s for some there. You can see there 81 in Norwalk and also Medina coming in at 78 degrees. So the big picture pattern on tap right now. When we look ahead, though we're going to get some rain showers in, that sort of pesky fall pattern will be sticking around, and so with this ridge of high pressure, we're also going to keep that in and allow that warmth to continue midweek, even into next week as well. That Union Home Mortgage forecast is going to be showing that dictates as well. 70s sticking around here. You can see through the end of next week, that 7-day and then that 10-day forecast showing near 70 and low 70s, Russ.
Not bad. All right, Jason, thank you.